If you have heard of Miniskirt Monday, then you must be interested in taking a trip down memory lane to the era of vintage miniskirts and computers. Do you remember when miniskirts and computers went hand in hand? If so, get ready to immerse yourself in a nostalgic journey through these old photographs that capture a period in history when computers were big and skirts were small. The photographs featured in this collection date back to the start of the 70s, offering a glimpse into a time when miniskirts were a fashion statement and computers were a symbol of technological advancement. As we look back at these images, we can't help but draw a comparison between the past and the present, evoking a sense of nostalgia for a bygone era. The photos depict an interesting contrast between the massive computers of the time and the fashionable miniskirts worn by the women in the images. The photographer's commentary adds a humorous and candid perspective, offering insights into the social dynamics and technological landscape of that era. The images capture moments of everyday life in the workplace, providing a glimpse into the interactions between individuals and the technology that defined the era. The photographer's commentary sheds light on the unique experiences and challenges faced by women in male-dominated fields such as electrical engineering, offering a thought-provoking perspective on gender dynamics in the workplace. As we journey through these photographs, we are transported to a time when computers were a novelty, and miniskirts were a fashion statement. The images offer a unique window into the past, allowing us to savor the history and reminisce about an era that holds a special place in our hearts. The most exciting part is still ahead, so let's immerse ourselves in the images and reminisce about that era. Get ready to be transported back in time as we explore the captivating intersection of miniskirts and vintage computers in this nostalgic photo collection. Join us as we step back in time and celebrate the timeless allure of miniskirts and the technological marvels of the past.